Adjust the Pesti sprayer nozzle by turning the tip to match the desired spray width and start with a moderate setting. Begin by identifying the nozzle type on your Pesti sprayer. Most units use a conical adjustable tip that controls droplet size and fan width. Hold the sprayer steady and depress the trigger while making small quarter-turn adjustments to the nozzle until you see the spray pattern you want. For even lawn coverage, use a wider fan but avoid the maximum open position because that creates drift and uneven deposition. For targeted indoor spot treating, move the nozzle closer to the surface and tighten the tip to produce a narrower, more concentrated stream so droplets land where needed. Always test on a small, inconspicuous area or a cardboard sheet to confirm pattern and flow before treating plants or baseboards. After adjusting, walk at a consistent pace and overlap passes by about 20% to maintain uniform coverage. Common issues include overly wide patterns that cause drift and waste. Fix this by turning the nozzle inward, 1/4 turn, and reducing pressure if your model allows it. Another frequent problem is a pinhole or inconsistent spray caused by debris in the tip. Clear it by flushing the system with clean water and, if needed, use a soft brush or pin to remove residue while following safety guidance from the product label. A third concern is uneven application from changing distance or speed. Keep a steady distance from the target, move at a uniform pace, and use the test pattern method to recalibrate before each job. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a community where we discuss product tips and application techniques related to sprayers and other tools. We help contractors showcase services and find work while giving homeowners practical advice and a space to share experiences.